Sure. I can help you learn how to tell time in Arabic. Here are the Arabic numbers you will need to know.
1
1,
2
2,
3
3,
4
4,
5
5,
6
6,
7
7,
8
8,
9
9,
10
10,
11
11,
12
12,
13
13,
14
14,
15
15,
16
16,
17
17,
18
18,
19
19,
20
20,
21
21,
22
22,
23
23,
24
24,
30
30,
40
40,
50
50. To express time in Arabic, you usually start with the hour, followed by the word.
بعد 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 بعد
Ba'd, which means past, or.
قبل 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 قبل
Cable, which means to or before, and then the minutes. Here are some examples. 1. It's 1:30. Yujad al-Wahid wa al-Nisf.
يوجد 1:30.
2. It's 9:45. Yujad al-Tasi wa al-Kamsa wa al-Arba'in dakika.
يوجد 9:45 دقيقة.
3. It's 6:15. Yujad al-Sadisa wa al-Rub.
يوجد 6:15.
4. It's 3 o'clock. Yujad al-Thalatha.
يوجد 3.
Remember to use the appropriate word for past or to based on the minutes. Additionally, when talking about time, it's common to use the feminine form of the numbers. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any further questions.